Conventional sources of energy. Petroleum. In this module, you will learn about the importance of petroleum as a conventional source of energy and its distribution in India. The origin of petroleum goes back to millions of years when Earth was covered with water and looked like a vast ocean. Petroleum was formed from the fossil remains of the perished flora and fauna of this water mass, which got deposited in the ocean bed. This was mainly found in the sedimentary rocks formed by years of sedimentation over this fossil remains. Hence, it is also known as rock oil. Let us learn about petroleum reserves. A small percentage of this fossil fuel is found in the rocks and sand close to the surface of the earth, but the major reserves are located deep inside the earth. In India, most of the petroleum occurrence are associated with the anticlines and fault traps in the rock formation of the tertiary age. The deposits of petroleum found in the rock pockets are drilled out and transported to refineries for further processing. The layer that contains oil is made up of porous rocks like limestone and sandstone. From these porous rocks, it can be drilled out using machineries. A natural sinking or outflow is not possible due to the presence of intermittent non-porous layers of rocks. Petroleum is available in thick tar-like form and also in thin consistency like that of water. It has a lot of energy which is released on combustion. Many of the conventional fuel forms such as kerosene, petrol and diesel are byproducts of petroleum. No wonder it is the energy source with the highest rate of consumption. Petroleum is the fuel that is used in most of the vehicles. It is also a raw material for many chemical products, synthetic fibers, fertilizers, pesticides, solvents, lubricants, and plastics. It has a vital role in the maintenance of many industries and thus considered as a nodal industry for many other manufacturing industries. The scarcity of petroleum can bring the nation to stand still. Let us learn about the oil fields in India. 63% of the total petroleum production in India comes from Mumbai High, followed by 18% from Gujarat and 16% from Assam. Ankleshwar is the most important oil field in the state of Gujarat. Big Boy, Naharkatia and Moran Bugrijan are the important oil fields in Assam, which is also the oldest oil-producing state of India. The most threatening factor about petroleum energy source is that it is non-renewable in nature because of the time period required for its formation. The soaring demand levels always put the production units under pressure, and importing has its toll on the economy of the country. Oil fields are the most prized possession of the nation, but its high rate of pollution is also a cause of concern. In this module, you have learned the following. Petroleum was formed from the fossil remains of the perished flora and fauna of this water mass, which got deposited in the ocean bed. A small percentage of this fossil fuel is found in the rocks and sand close to the surface of the earth, but the major reserves are located deep inside the earth. The deposits of petroleum found in the rock pockets are drilled out and transported to refineries for further processing. Petroleum is the fuel that is used in most of the vehicles. It is also a raw material for many chemical products, synthetic fibers, fertilizers, pesticides, solvents, lubricants, and plastics. 63% of total petroleum production in India comes from Mumbai High, followed by 18% from Gujarat and 16% from Assam.